Hey everybody, Cody from DroneAdair here again with another tutorial video. On this one, I'm going to show you how your clients can book you directly on your DroneAdair page. So once you set up your page on the My Website tab in your dashboard, you can go through and click Publish and ultimately then see everything that you created. So your clients can book you directly on this page. If they scroll down, they can pick the industry that they're in and say, all right, I want this basic aerial photography package. And then it brings up basically a workflow for them to select a location that it is in. A loft will bring in the authorization, and then they can choose from all the additional deliverables that you have inside of your backend dashboard. I'm just going to do a test, but they can put in location details in there. And then they can go through and fill out all of this information so you have it. So if it's a live event and they click yes, they can choose the day and the time. If they do need to be on site or someone else needs to be on site, they can choose different days inside of here, as well as add their contact information in there. They can choose date range or a specific date on there as well, and then go through and accept that airspace and weather might cause delays. Once they go through and continue, if they're a current client of yours, all they need to do is log in, and it's ultimately then sent directly to your dashboard as well as theirs for them to log in and view all the details and download files once they're in there. If they're a new client, all we need is a first name, last name, email, and then they have a account already created. And then once that is done, they would go through, pay for it, book it, schedule it, and then it is automatically sent to you in an email saying, congrats, you booked a new job. And then as well, they get a notification email saying that they have booked a job as well. So it is ready then in your dashboard for you to go fly and upload the files directly to that mission.